today, Fluffy, beloved family cat, passed away. And I'm just so shocked. I mean, he was fine the other day, running around doing what cats do. And you have to realize that you can't take it for granted. You have to understand when people say that they might not be here tomorrow, you have to know when your cat goes, meow, I might not be here tomorrow. You have to listen. And I just said, Fluffy, you're okay. When you say, not gonna make it, I'm not gonna make it, I just... It's such a huge shock at it. Oh. Hello?
Hello, girl.
Yeah, Fluffy died.
Fluffy died.
I mean, he got hit by a car, and then he had a heart attack and rolled over and did a backflip and died.
Fluffy ain't died.
What?
Hold up, Fluffy. Fluffy's in the hospital. They said he was in a coma.
Fluffy in a coma?
Catfish?
Cabbage. Oh, kills and bits. Oh, Lord. Anyway, Fluffy was my nigga.
Fluffy was my nigga, too.
That nigga dead. No, Fluffy. Leave Fluffy alone. Fluffy was the world's greatest entertainer. Fluffy was the world's greatest cat singer. Fluffy invented the catapult.